a lot of people who come up to me after, after the break when I was over stage, and they was really feeling my work about the straw. They really was inspired to show off the animal spirit, and so I'm happy that I can touch you. Just don't touch me when I'm off a stage. I'm a cat. I don't like you to come near me and touch me. I know some people say, oh, she's so rude. Okay. So it doesn't matter. This is about the words of the throat. This is not about the touching, and don't touch me. Okay, we can talk in a seat, but don't just come out and try to touch me. Don't do that. I don't want to scare you, or however. I have a cat spirit, and I will reach out and this is my blood. So I just wanted to give that note every time I perform, that we can just talk here eye to eye. Cats talk eye. No, that's how we talk, with our eyes. And then once we decide whether you are someone to come to our felinis or our pack, then we might let you up near. It takes a lot for me. I'm one of those other cats. I got different. I have a different. Growing up, it was a lot in the city of Detroit. With some assholes I was around, and so I don't like touch like that, unless you are the cat, that is for my cup, your straws, my cup, it's to stir me up, and so this is the poem for you today. Before we close, yes, I know, I know, this is what you guys thinking. Always we have a good time here. I know. Yes, we do. Yes, however, we have to close. I have stuff to do today, So, yeah. Okay, focus. Yeah. So, Scott, stir. Stir. Okay. You touch my words, and I love you for it. You touch my places, and I love you a lot. You and me attract each other because of our meow stuff, meow stuff, and it is always of attracting. I sent you, yes, you sent me, yes, we sent each other, and we take it to our bedroom. I am stirred by you. I am stirred inside of myself, and I go like this all the time. I am here for you all the time. You are my straw. Yes, and I love sucking your spaces, to drink all I am to drink for. Hey, my mouth is already watering here. For your stuff. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Standing ovation. Thank you all the time. Thank you. I'm deeply humbled by that. Kind of, sort of. I already know that I got it. However, thank you for just showing that I got it. Yes, thank you all. And this is Deeeep. Smells.